Test drive 2004 H2. Hummer H2 performance optimizing engine technologies such as variable valve timing and the 6 speeds wide gear ratios, including all overdrive gear, enable the performance. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power retractable mirrors, power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, daytime running lights, remote power door locks, rear wiper, universal remote transmitter, cruise control, trip computer, power windows. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.